Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Are you up for something other than jelly print collages from my 100-day project? So I've given myself another challenge. This is not a do it every day kind of challenge. This is figure out how to use gouache kind of challenge. So, this is my Ahimi gouache that I bought, I don't know, a year or two ago, so it's kind of dried out. Not really gelatinous. And I tend to use it like a watercolor, and I know that's not how you're supposed to use it. So I'm going to try and do one painting a week. I think that's what I decided with it. And see if I can get better at actually painting with this gouache in those sort of big tubs. So I need to, and they're probably big because you're probably supposed to use more at once than like I just did on that side of the barn. Thicker amounts, more pigment, whatever, kind of like I'm gonna do here next, a little bit darker. So yeah, I've watched a few videos on it, and looks like it's probably better fresh out of the tube, but I bought this jelly gouache and I'm gonna use it. So maybe by the time, I was thinking I would do one a week for a year. We'll see if that happens. But I'm hoping that the practice will give me a little bit more skills. And I haven't, I love to watercolor, and I haven't done watercolor in a long time either, and some regular painting, so I thought it would be good for that as well. So that's my challenge to myself. So I hope everyone is doing well, and I think I'm just going to play some music. Hopefully I can get some music to play on here, and I hope you enjoy watching. I'll interject whenever I feel like I have something to say, I guess. So as usual, this doesn't end up being strictly jelly gouache because I can't help but add a second media. I'm just using a gray Pit Pen by Faber-Castell to help straighten up my grid pattern, the wood framing of the bridge, and hoping it will look a little bit better. But it's just about done. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please leave me a thumbs up or a comment. And I want to thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.